Let's go. You drive.
Here's your man Heavy Ben on the...
Don't worry, Winston. We'll nip this in the bud.
And I'm supposed to what? Renege on all my campaign promises?
It's an unforeseen delay. In construction, you have to allow for these things.
Explaining away a union strike is easier said than done, Veliano. Not to mention the fact that it just smells like money going down the drain.
I don't think I'm familiar with that particular odor.
Do I look like I'm in a joking mood? Your lawyer workers are down there shouting about standards of safety, and that's rallying up the unpaid contract folk. This keeps up, I can kiss the labor vote goodbye in addition to everything else.
Jason, in exchange for their support, the Reverend and I promised a few of Vegas's more prominent businessmen a hefty stake in that convention center that you decided to demolish.
This little shit right here, he's the one that caused this mess?
All right, not so fast. Benny and Jason will go down to the site and knock some sense into the workers. As for the union boss, let's make sure he's off my payroll for good.
Boy, I oughta...
Why don't we go refresh your drink? The boys will call you when it's done.
I don't care what Frank says. This strike is your mess. You're cleaning it up alone.
Oh, not this bastard again!
Listen, guys, it wasn't personal.
This asshole cost us 3 months of work.
Okay, I don't feel so sorry for you anymore. the hour.
That kid's with Frank. Get it, boys.
You're gonna pay for this! Frank wanted me to tell you something.
Frank can kiss my ass. You're all going to hell. You hear that?
Get back to work if you know what's good for you.
You got the rev.
It's done.
Good.
Hey, you've reached Karen. If you have something interesting to say, leave a message. If not, then why the hell are you calling me?
Karen, hey, just checking in to see how you've been since, you got shot. Heard Frank took over the club. He's got me running errands now. I don't really have a choice. I don't know. If I see a way out, I'll take it, but, yeah. Take care of yourself.